Today, I'll show you how to fix MetaTrader 5 invalid account. If MetaTrader 5 shows invalid account, it usually means the platform cannot verify your login details with the broker's server. This can happen because of a wrong account number, wrong password, incorrect server, expired demo account, or an inactive trading account. First, check your login details. Go to File, then click Login to Trade Account. Now, enter your trading account number carefully. Make sure you are not entering your email address unless your broker specifically uses email login. Next, enter your trading password. Be careful when copying and pasting, because extra spaces can cause the login to fail. Now check the server name. This is very important. Your account must connect to the exact server assigned by your broker, such as demo, live, real, or a specific server number. You can usually find the correct server name in the email you received when opening the account or inside your broker's client portal. After entering the account number, password, and server, click OK. If it still says Invalid account, try resetting your trading password from your broker dashboard. Then return to MetaTrader 5 and log in again with the new password. If you are using a demo account, check whether it has expired. Some brokers automatically close demo accounts after a period of inactivity. Also make sure your broker actually supports MetaTrader 5, because MT4 login details will not work on MT5. If nothing works, contact your broker and ask them to confirm your account number, server name, and account status. And that's it. You now know how to fix MetaTrader 5 invalid account. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.